Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. Today we have got a 67 Austin mini van. It's not a minivan, it's an Austin minivan. So basically a mini stretched out to be a van. It's not your normal van where you have sliding doors or anything, it's more of a work van kind of thing. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the mini van out of its box, and first thing you'll notice is this crazy paint. It's orange and looks like the flag of England everywhere. I'm not sure how many flags are in there, but there are so many of those. Now, minis were right-hand drives. That's why I'm starting from this side. If you look, you can see the steering wheel in there. These minis are not your typical mini, which are shorter wheelbase. These are longer ones, still two doors, and this door which opens in the back. I think Mini did a newer one too. I don't know what it was called. So they did a newer Mini with the split door in the back too. So let's start from the front. Up front, you can see there is headlamp, grill and everything, but none of them are detailed. Got this custom kind of bumper here. Looks good. Finished in blue. Again, you can see the flag everywhere. It says E on the top. I do like that they have both the mirrors and windshield wipers. Again, good details there. Coming to the passenger side, the wheels, they look alright here. I'm pretty sure we didn't do blue wheels. It's more of a custom or modified Mini. Standard Mini, two doors, so you have a door handle, and thus you have the back panel, so no windows here. Completely closed out panels. You can see those wheel arches, like they look like aftermarket ones. We already talked about the back, split door. Tail lamps are there, but not detailed. You can also see the hinges. Twin exhaust in the bottom. Again, blue bumper in the back. Driver's side looks almost identical as the passenger side. With all these colors or the flag, I can't really find where the fuel filler is. Will take a long time, I guess. This is how it looks from the top. Interior is finished in white, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So this isn't a new casting, as you can see, 2014 metal, but I think this paint job is new and I didn't have one in my collection, so I ended up getting this. Should you get one? Well, if you're a mini fan, go for it. It can definitely use some details. Would have looked much better if it at least detailed headlamps, but again, shouldn't be that hard if you want to detail it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.